All right, so going through the big document here, next thing we're going to see is just a little bit more of linking CSS to HTML. And I'll create a new file. And this file, create a new folder here, new directory, and this will be 005. And inside there, I'm going to create a new index.html. And then in here, I just want to do an H1 and color me baby, whatever. And so one way we could do this is style. And then inside the style tags up in the head, we do our rule set. A rule set's going to have a selector, selectors, and a declaration block. There's my declaration block. Declaration block's going to have declarations, which are properties and values. So color red. All right, that's one way we could do it. Now if I was to open this up, reveal in Finder, open it up, and now it's color me baby. Okay, so another way that we could do this is we could start to kind of compartmentalize things, modularize things, and we could call this main.css. So here's my main style sheet. I'm going to get that right there and just copy it over here to main. So there, I'm keeping all my CSS in its own document. Instead of having style here, I'm going to do link. And I hit tab, I type link and I hit tab, and now I'm linking to the relationship is a style sheet, and now it's main.css is where I'm linking. And this one over here, I'm going to change it to blue just so we could see it's different, right? But that's another way you can link to your style sheets, okay? And now when I refresh this page, right, color me baby, it's blue. All right, so that's another way to link to CSS, another way to link to CSS.